Alright guys, we are at Jambo Friday, testing day. Car is ready, as you saw, from servicing and everything like that. She's all going, just got up on the brake, checked the bump works. Car's ready to go, so everyone's sort of lining up now. I'm going to go, well, not really lining up, but I'm going to go suss SWAT, and what's in what sort of area. Jason's in there just getting his crew stuff, so going to go check this out and go from there. There's 2 J's up here. So I've left the last tune where we spun the last time, so I'm going to run that and see how we go, but it should be sweet. All of the Promo. How you doing, mate? Look at these fucking things, man. Unreal. So we've got a couple of cars that have spun. There's a yellow BL, LS. In the right lane, that sort of didn't quite get down, spun straight on the line. We've got a pretty spicy launch, but so we'll see what happens here. It's a bit spicy, but we'll see how we fucking go here. I'm going to use the bump to try launch. Don't lose me bumper.
Your bumper come off, so you can go now, but you've got to...
Hang on, let me have a look.
Put some cable ties in it, maybe.
Yeah, I just put some in it.
Yeah, now it's come off again. Yeah.
Bloody hell. Let me have a quick look.
You can go, but it's gonna...
She really flew a hole out, didn't it? Fucking hell. Holy shit.
They just wanted us to stop here.
I just tape the shit out of it.
No, tape it up.
Oh, bloody hell. Ripped the bumper on the bastard, so we'll see how we go there. That had to be So, poor old bumper. At the end of the track, 150 odd mile an hour. Ripped off. And that's what we got. But hey.
It's going to be alright now. Sort of.
Hopefully. Because I think this side is fucking popped a bit. But Jimmo's not far off, so we'll get some tape. I do have another bumper at home, so there we go. It's like brand new.
Perfect.
I wonder if there's anything in the rules where I have to run a bumper, because it might end up coming off.
I like the idea of that.
Because it could just come off.
I've just all this out and putting it back on.
We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, so we did 9.3. I was a little bit too excited because I thought it fucking left or right, but I wasn't really watching. But yeah, it yeah. So 9.3 at 154. So it's like pretty much done what it's normally done. But we had bugger all boost in it. I thought we had it sort of pretty wound up, but it wasn't as wound up as I thought. I need to get the bump down, so bring it back down to like 115 or something like that, because we jumped over and sort of went into deep stage. But yeah, and that sort of threw me, so I wasn't even looking at the lights. But yeah, not too bad for a first run. It went down, no break up, no nothing. So for this car, there's a heap of prep there, and it's going to do all right. So we'll wait till Adam gets off the. Adam can jump on and give us a call, and then we go from there and try and wind it up a bit, get it sort of moving, because it should do really well. Anyway. be a plug or something. Alright, so ended up pushing a bit of water out of this thing on the last run. We did a 9.2 at 158 mile an hour, so that was our best mile per hour, but I didn't really want to push it any further. And we've got a bit of a with the transmission and the selector, it's sort of cutting out when we go to start it, so a bit of mucking around to do with that and a few other things. And I'm going to get it ready for street duties, I guess, and obviously that bar's no good anymore, but the car is, yeah, still sweet, but I just didn't want to push any more than that we did, and but yeah, and try and get it back ready for Adelaide Auto Expo and a bunch of other stuff that we're doing. So put the original wheels back on it and put some new bumper on it, get the guard fixed, get the rear view mirror fixed, tidy up some paint and panel, and then she'll be right to cruise around the street. But take that bar off, obviously that's no good. Oh, get the exhaust fixed and make it a nice streeter again. So yeah, that'll do it for this video, guys. Not much driving action, bit of servicing, bit of everything, but hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Back in and a bit of a waggle of the tail, 330. Sorry, back to last weekend.
Where are you, Frankie?
That was cool.
Holy shit.